Good morning, student. Today I discuss importance of working independently. Importance of importance of working independently. For class 10th, chapter 2, this is the first part related to this topic. My dear student, I don't know you were studying in this topic and what type question in arise your mind. I don't know. But my dear student, I personally asked to every student why CBSE maintain in this particular topic. First of all, you analyze, think, and then after related to answer. I again repeat this. The all over to the important topic are related to your behavior. You go to the upper classes such as the qualified to the MBA, CA, CW. There are so many such professional courses. They all our chapter is the again repeat. So please every topic concept clear. You are not concept clear. They have this type of particular topic is a very difficult. This is a psychological basis topic. So first of all, I discuss what does it mean to be independent. First of all, I discuss what is means by independent. What it means by independent. I hope every student independent means freedom. Independent means freedom. First of all, I discuss what is independent. What is the means of the independent? Becoming self-aware. First, becoming self-aware. Second, self-monitoring and self-correcting. First, becoming self-aware, becoming self-aware, self-motivating and self-correcting. This is the meaning of the meaning of the independent. The second, I discuss in every such type of point in the next video classes. But today I discuss what is the meaning of the independent. So independence means becoming a self-aware, self-motivating and the self-correcting. Second, knowing what you need to do. I again, knowing what you need to do. Third, talking ownership of your mistake. Talking ownership of your mistakes without looking for excuses. Without looking for excuses. And my fourth point, negative emotion. Negative emotion due to negative past experience. Due to negative past experience, taking off your course. Taking off. This is the meaning of independent. My second question. This is the introduction part. Introduction. My second question. What is the key to being independent? What is the key? What is the key in independent? Independent. There are three keys of the independent. First key, self-awareness. Self-awareness. Second, self-motivation. Self-motivation. And my third, self-regulation. This is the key of your independent. My dear student, because this topic name is working independently, so my third topic, working independently. I don't know which type of a student be honest पूर्वक our work. Working independently. I discussed one of the ability that most faculty. I again discuss one of the ability the most faculty mentors. These mentors are related to the employer. Desire to cultivate in their undergraduate charge in independence. I again repeat in this particular sentence, one of the ability the most faculty mentors, these mentors are related to the employers, desire to cultivate in their undergraduate changes in independence. In this section, we will discuss some strategy that will help learn how to become self-motivation. A good place to being by carefully thinking your own learning style. A good place to, I again repeat, a good place to being is by carefully thinking about your own learning style. First, do you like to work independently, or do you need or more a structured environment? Second, are you self-motivated? There are two important points in this situation. The first important point, do you like to work independently, or do you need or more a structured environment? And the second, are you self-motivated? There are two themes of the working independent. I not write down in this particular sentence. Working, thus we can say that working independently lets you focus on what you love to do. Again repeat, working independently lets you focus on what you love to do rather than how to get projects done without dealing with a wide variety of personality. This is the all over parts are the discuss in this particular topic. Thank you so much.